everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, of course, and today we're gonna do a review on some about face makeup products. I have been wanting to try this brand for so long, but it is quite expensive, and with the products being sold online, I never tried it just because I was nervous about it. About Face is now stocked in some Ultas. I don't know if it's all of them, but when I saw it, I was like, I need to try it. I just need to try it. About Face is pretty expensive, but I feel like they're that way for a reason. One of them being that this is Halsey's brand, and I love Halsey's music, so I am actually very excited about trying this, but I feel like there has to be more than it just being attached to her name. It has to be good to be that expensive. I don't even want to be reminded of how much these cost me. I already have a makeup look in mind. I did do my base makeup already. I'm not going to use this color today. I'm going to use the pink and brown and some of the blue and see what we come up with. I hope it looks good. I'm not a licensed like cosmetologist or makeup artist or anything. I just do makeup for fun. So I don't know if I have the skills to work with this, but we'll see how it comes out. Before we get into the review, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It would make me very happy, and why not join the crazy pepitas over here, okay? I was just messing with the shadow stick and I felt that you could turn it, but I pulled it because it wasn't doing anything. I thought it was going to come out at the top, but I think what is this? Is this sharpener? I don't even want to try it, but it looks like this. It looks like a sharpener or something. I don't know what it is. Dummy. Wait, so what's this for? Look, I just twisted it and it comes out. This is not a sharpener. What is this? What? Okay, I'm gonna stop messing. I don't know what that is. Oh, maybe to make it pointy again? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below if you know what that's supposed to do. Okay. Looking down at a mirror. Wish me luck. I'm gonna put the tiniest bit. Ooh, that pink is pretty. No, I'm not gonna do it on the other side because this dries. I did not think this through already. Okay, maybe I used too little. I don't know if you're supposed to use a primer with these. I'll go ahead and add more. I do love this shade of pink though. Okay, so I'm gonna keep building it up and I'll be back. Doing this took no time at all. Seriously, I love how buildable it is. Like, this shade of pink is perfect. I feel like I always have to go for a super bright pink for it to pop on my eye, but this pink is so soft and so pretty. It's so cute. I truly love it so much already. I thought it was gonna be harder to blend. I thought I would have a harsh line, but that was so incredibly easy to blend out. And the color is so pretty. It looks so pretty. I'm honestly surprised because when you hear liquid, I just expected it to kind of be a mess and then dry very quickly. I didn't expect it to be this easy to apply. Let's see how the brown does. Let me start on the my lower lash line. Let's see how it goes. I'm sorry if this doesn't come out good on camera. Hold on. I just lightly applied it there. I love this brown. I love how soft. Oh, I love how soft these colors look on me. So I'm gonna go over the pink a little bit. Let's see if that's gonna mess up the look, if it's gonna blend together well, or if it's just gonna take the pink off. I was dreading to sit down and film this because I thought I was gonna make a mess and hate it, but this is amazing. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist or anything. I thought it was gonna be a lot more difficult to use, but that's so cute. Yeah, I thought putting the brown on top of the pink, it was gonna just take the pink right off. That is on there. I love how soft this looks. I feel so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do this other eye off camera because it's gonna be awkward and hard. That looks so pretty. Only thing is that I'm noticing part that hides when I open my eyes, it's creasing. So I'm not sure if I was supposed to put on eye primer or not, but you can see like my skin past the pink. So I'm gonna try to add a little bit more pink there and see if that helps. I do have very oily lids, so that's why I tend to not use creamy shadows. So as much as I loved it in the beginning, I'm feeling kind of doubtful now. Like I said, that might be user error. It might have been just because I didn't put eye primer on. Y'all tell me, are you supposed to use eye primer with creamy shadows? Because I use eye primer, but I just use regular eyeshadow. So I don't know. Because whenever I've used creamy eyeshadows before, it always creases and it'll dissolve off my eyelid very quickly. So maybe that's what I gotta do. Let me know. If you look right here, you can see my eyelid, if that makes sense. Like it's very patchy right there. Like it's not becoming more opaque. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. And I'm having the same issue right here. I'm gonna go in with the pearly shadow stick on my inner corner. Like tapping, and it's not coming off. Like, of course I'm not pressing down, but I am tapping and the makeup isn't coming off, which is good. Even the pink. I think I put too much brown on this eye. You can see the brown running down. Maybe I can just, since it's dry, flick it off with the dry brush. Yeah, that works. Crisis averted. All right, I'm gonna put mascara on and be right back. All right, this is the complete makeup look. What do we think? I personally love the pink, but unfortunately, I can see that it is creasing once again. Yeah, it's just that same area right here. It's starting to crease right there as well. Crease there a little bit. Yeah, it's like creasing. Like it doesn't smudge, which is good. It says no smudging on the packaging, but it is creasing. Yeah, it says smudge proof, budge proof, but it's not smudging, but I think it's budging. I think this is budging. Is it budging? I'm not sure. It's creasing, but like I said, that might be because I didn't use eye primer, and I kind of regret that decision. Who am I? But a chick with dry lips talking to you, trying to tell you about makeup. I feel like they're very buildable, and even the shadow stick, but I am impressed because I thought it was going to be more scary, and that's what I thought too, that I was just going to spread it around, make a mess, that it was going to be too opaque, too thick, not buildable. But these I feel like these colors are very buildable, and I love how soft it looks. If you have tried them matte fluid paints, let me know how you like them, if they work well. I'm definitely going to use these again, probably as a base for regular eyeshadow, for powder eyeshadow, because I feel like as a base, I feel like it would really pop more. And the same thing with the brown. I do love this shade of brown, but I feel like the powder might just make it pop just a little bit more. And I love the shadow stick. I love it. Very cute, very easy. I'm not going to be purchasing more just because, like I said, they're very expensive, and there are a lot of great eyeshadow palettes that come with so many colors that are very pigmented and are a lot cheaper. I literally have so many eyeshadow palettes. And shadow sticks, I don't know if they have any other colors, and I feel like the shadow sticks were really expensive too. So no, I don't think I'll be buying again. I think for someone who just wears makeup for fun, this is not worth the money. Maybe if you do editorial looks, if you're a makeup artist, I feel like maybe you would like these. But as a regular person, no. That is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this review. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.